Set proper goals for affiliate marketing business ventures. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn an extra income at home. However, it is more than just throwing together a website. There are things that you should do in order to become successful in affiliate marketing. Here are some tips to set you on the right path. Avoid using services that hide domain ownership. It is believed that Google checks whether website owners have hidden their domain ownership information with services like domains by proxy and penalizes their sites by either reducing their rankings or increasing the time that the sites sit in the sandbox, the informal name given to the ranking penalty given to new sites until they prove themselves. If you are working as an affiliate for a product or service that needs repeat business, keep this in mind during your promotions. Work up your marketing approach like you're fishing. The main goal is to throw out the bait and allow the fish to hook itself. After that, it's all about reeling in your catch. If you have purchased an affiliate product to test it out, do not rely on text alone to give it a positive review. Break out the video camera, comb your hair, and give a video review of the product half how it works, how it helps you, and how it can help them. Allow people to actually see the product. Use the templates from your affiliate programs but make the content unique to you and your audience. If someone clicks on your page and sees an obvious copy and paste template with no personal information or content, they are going to click away and not come back. You can use the templates as they are usually proven items, but make sure to include yourself in it or you'll drive your clients away. You can see that it takes a bit of learning, in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. The suggestions described here are just some of the things that you should know and apply to your business. If you keep gaining knowledge and are willing to work hard on your business, you will become successful. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.